Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Going for a short spin kya short shopping spin to Jain Auto Peth. कौन थे ये दो भाई लोग? So this is Giriraj Auto. ही इज़ अ वेरी ओल्ड फ्रेंड नीलेश भत्तड़ एंड इसका टीम भी बहुत पुराना फ्रेंड है ना, ग्रुप है हम लोग टीवीएस के टाइम से 1996 आई थिंक से पहचान है. एंड ही डील्स इन ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ प्री ओन्ड टू व्हीलर्स एंड ऑल. तो मैं यहाँ पे एक एंटॉर्क देखने आया था, रेस एडिशन. अब चलेंगे नानापेट. उस कैस्ट्रॉल वाले के पास सिस्टम जी, सिस्टम 2-3 ऑयल्स, एडिटिव्स बहुत कुछ मिल जाते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ आवर जैन ऑटो. दे आर ऑथराइज सेलर फॉर सिमटैक टू. सो एक तो बाइक कवर ट्राई करना है और दूसरा मोबाइल होल्डर. तो ये है मोबाइल होल्डर. बाय द वे दिस वी ट्राइड ऑन द बाइक बट छोटा हो रहा है तो प्लान कैंसल्ड. And this is the BSDDP Mobile Holder. It has got a shock absorber also at the back. इसको घर जाके पूरा अच्छे से अनइंस्टॉल करते, मतलब इंस्टॉल करते, and then I'll show it to you what exactly it is. इधर बाइक अभी नो पार्किंग में है, so I'll take it out quickly from here. So that was Jain Auto. टेंटेटिव प्राइस अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1200 है उस मोबाइल होल्डर का. बट इफ़ यू कम हियर दे सेल एट होलसेल रेट्स, मतलब 1200 इज़ द रेट फॉर इन जनरल इन द मार्केट ओवर हियर फॉर दैट मोबाइल होल्डर. बट आपको वो शायद थोड़ा सा कम भी करके दे देंगे. अब चलते हैं, मुझे कुछ टूल्स लेने हैं एंड उसके बाद बैक होम. नॉट फीजिबल टू एंटर दिस लेन. घर चलो भाई, ऑफिस का लॉगिन है थोड़ी देर में. एक स्कूटी वाला घुस गया अभी बीच में पीछे से. आई होप नथिंग इज ब्रोकन. सो गाइस, लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट. आई हैव ऑलरेडी वेस्टेड लॉट ऑफ योर टाइम इन द व्लॉग. So let me quickly show you what all comes with this. So this comes with two kinds of mounts. एक तो you can remove the mirror and use this ball joint. Okay, I'll keep this aside. If you don't want to use the ball joint, you can directly use this U clamps, and comes with two different handlebar thicknesses. Okay, so one is a slimmer one for smaller handlebars, one is a thicker one for thicker handlebars. I'll tell you where these get used. And of course you get a ball joint, some nuts and bolts, and a small spanner. So I've already taken out my own spanner. This is my own spanner, but साथ में एक आपको spanner मिल जाता है. Then this is the main vibration dampener. Okay, it has got rubbers in it. Now I've not seen any other vibration dampener so far, so I don't know how does this compare with any other brand. किसी और के साथ कैसे ये काम करेगा पता नहीं. How does it perform I don't know compared to other brands. And this is the center body which will go on the ball joint, and it looks like all metal, so that's one good thing. It will go on your ball joint, and you can easily remove it from the mount. So you get two set of Allen keys. So I mean at this price point you're getting almost 3 tools in it. Some rubbers to be stuck over here, and you got to loosen this one. This is the main unit. You got to loosen this one. This is already loose, and let's assemble this and see how does the mounting happen. So to install the anti-vibration dampener, you have to first remove this mount from the base unscrew it, put this one. Okay, this one will be at the top, this one will be at the bottom. Your bolt will I don't know how to put the bolt, but it is supposed to be going like this from both the sides and tighten it. Now installing the ball joint on the anti-vibration dampener or the vibration dampener, whatever you would like to call it. Put the bolts through and put the nut in this slot so that it locks itself in its place, and then tighten it. Now suppose you've got a bike like mine, like this TRK, which has got a very broad handle at the handlebar is broad at the center and it is thinner at the upper end. So you can, if you're mounting the mobile holder at the center, you can use the broader mount. If you're using it on the left side, you can use the thinner one. I'll be going with the left side one for now. So the ball joint has gone from top, the plastic U holder is from the bottom. It's very thick plastic. When I say plastic, it's very thick plastic and quite robust when I held it in the hand. Putting the lock nuts from top, and what you now just have to do is tighten the nuts slowly and completely. So now you take the middle mount and you put it inside the ball joint and you insert it over here. Okay, you can insert it in this manner and just tighten it. So every time you park your bike, it's going to just take half a minute to unbolt it. Okay, remove it and take it away. Okay, take it along with you so that this doesn't get stolen, and you can keep it in a kind of a hidden fashion at the back side, so that in regular use too it's not easily visible. Tighten it completely, and there goes my phone inside. Okay, mind you, it's going to vibrate a lot on this end, so if you want less vibrations, you can mount it over here. And if you see, it is protruding too much right now, so if you don't want this protruding, this coming out so much, and if you're not using any phone with OIS camera and all, so you can skip this part. It will come down a bit and you can straighten it out too. Again, if you want it more upright, you can change the angle and all. I'm sure everyone knows how well the ball joint can be adjusted. So this is the final mount. I adjusted a bit. Now let me show you from this angle too. And this is what I have adjusted. This is how I have adjusted for my liking, and it doesn't touch the visor too. Now in case of bikes with long visors where your handle turns and your visor is stationary, you need to take care of this also. So with that said, I'll end the vlog here. Let me know if you have any questions. Those who want to purchase this from Pune, I leave Jain Auto's contact location, Google Map location in video description. You can surely go there and purchase. I think you should get it around 1000, 1100, 1200 is what he told me, but if you bargain, he might give it at 1000 also. So that was one good thing I was missing. Thanks for watching.